first get it. I still think it's inspired. I think it's
Are they gone yet?
unusual to pull this out of your hand.
You sound like you're gonna puke.
I might. And the parsnip caramel really work well together. You use really sophisticated techniques, but they're only...
Stop laughing.
Not laughing.
Are you crying?
Yes.
Really?
Ouch, no.
Less is more. Those ingredients stand out. Don't try to cover them up with that.
Sorry, I'm sorry.
What you believe is not your problem. I believe in that a lot. This is definitely out of the box and creative. I just went off with my imagination. Thanks again. Thank you.
Oh.
Decide which of them survives the final chop. They'll take
Super good.
into account your desserts and also
Oh.
I'm worried about it.
Oh my god.
Ouch.
Sorry. Sorry. It's a documentary. Come here. Come sit next to me. Stop it. You can't run from your problems. Let's face them together. Okay, will you sing the alphabet, please?
No.
Please.
No.
Please. Athena.
Why would I sing the alphabet?
Just sing it.
No.
It'll be funny.
No. I need to not laugh.
What?
I need to not laugh.
Okay, well, singing would take your mind off of laughing.
Why would I sing the alphabet? What would that do for me? Would it get rid of
Take your mind, yes, take your mind off of
A,
laughing.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, O.
Keep going.
H, I, J, K, L, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Okay, I thought it would work. It didn't work. I thought you were going to punch me.
I was about to.
Okay, I'll stop recording you now.
our judging criteria: taste, presentation, creativity. I think this is almost